As you can see in this place, the edge of this fence, you can see the birds gathered one side. This indicates a low temperature in a breeding pen. Be vigilant on your heat source because this is very bad. In this other place, you can notice that the birds are being distributed evenly. This is as a result of the heat source and the temperature is okay. So these are one of the basic things that you need to check. Be checking your heat source because the day old they need a lot of temperature in there so as to keep them active and also be moving around. So if your birds are gathered on one side, it will develop to what we call the CRD. CRD is a chronic respiratory disease and it's not good for you to start spending on drugs during this early stage of development of your birds and your chick. Thank you very much.